Many people are guarding their money, but not a lot of people, not enough people are guarding their time. I'm gonna show you how to start guarding your time. Let's do it. Hey class, this is Sifon with the 5th course subject. Make sure you boys and girls open up your books to the chapter of wealth. Now, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button right now. And we are going to be able to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And also, let's get 10 likes on this video. I know we can do it. Let's get 10 likes on this video. Let's do it. But share the movement with somebody who needs to know this. Somebody needs to hear this. And go in the comment section right now and comment something that you're spending most of your time with. Something that you're spending. How do you spend majority of your time? What are your hobbies? What are the things that you do? Just go in the comments and I want to see. I'm just kind of curious on what that. Let's share how ways that you can improve it too. Reply to each other, do all that. But let's get right into it. So how do you stop guarding your money so much and start guarding your time? So first, we're going to have to stop guarding your money, because what I'm learning on my wealth journey is that I used to guard my money a lot. Like I used to be like, let me go to this gas station over here, right? Which is 2 miles, 3 miles away, instead of this gas station across the street, because it's cheaper. It's 5 cents cheaper. Start guarding your time. Let me actually go to this grocery store on the other side of town because the prices are cheaper, instead of going to this Walmart right here. Now, let me actually do the dishes myself. Like do everything myself. Let me start doing all these tasks myself instead of hiring somebody. Guard your time. Guard your time, man. One thing I've been learning about wealth and on this wealth journey is delegation. Delegating tasks. And also opportunity costs. So with delegation, all that means is that you assign the tasks that are the least important, right, to somebody else. But also, right now, you might not be on that stage, and I'm not even at that stage just yet to start delegating all of my tasks, but I'm starting somewhere, right? And it starts with your life, right? And what that means is the opportunity cost, right? A lot of you guys are not looking at the opportunity that's costing you by going to the store across town instead of the one closer to you because of the money. Because you're not thinking with your time first, you're thinking with your money. And if you watch my other videos, you know that the value of time is way more than the value of money, right? So start guarding your time. Start guarding your time, right? It's precious. Hold it like a baby, right? I'm going to share a story with you. One of my best friends passed away at 21. And that was one of the most hardest things for me, right? And after that moment, this is what I learned. How valuable your time is. How valuable time is in general. I didn't really get the concept that life can be just gone like this in an instant. And death's door may not knock at 100 years old. Death's door can knock at 40, 50, 30. And after I learned that, I started taking my time, but I started getting into shape, right? I started not worrying about, okay, how am I save this electric bill? I'm gonna save, like, bro, life is not that long. It's not. But You have to maximize every single day, every single second. Because in the words of 50, I'm gonna die trying. I don't care. Because on my funeral, they're not gonna be like, oh, he had 6 Lamborghinis. They're not gonna say that, oh, he had this many. Like, no, they're not gonna say that. They're gonna say, how many people did he impact? Right? What do they say? How many people did he impact? I'm not worried about all the material things because that does not matter. Right? My friend that passed away, he can't take nothing with him to heaven. Right? And I wish he got right with that, right? I wish he got right with that. But he can't take none of that stuff. When you pass away, like, you can't take none of that stuff. You have to get close with God right now. You have to start being more faith-based right now. You have to start getting close. You have to start aligning with your purpose right now. When this video ends, right now. Stop waiting. Stop procrastinating. The reason why you procrastinate is, first, you're not trying to do it. You're just being lazy. It's either you being lazy or you think that you have the most time in the world. You don't. And you don't have to go the David Goggins way where you have to be very extreme, but move with urgency. Move with urgency. You don't have enough time. If you're liking this, go ahead and subscribe and like the video, and also click that bell and share the movie with anybody that needs this. Go in the link in the description. If you have a lot of debt, we can help with that, right? And not have to spend any extra money. And we're going to connect you with an advisor. Let's get right back into this video. But I want to say this. Guard your time. Guard it like a baby, right? Reach out. You can start by doing this. Reach out to somebody that you love. Just tell them I love you. Reach out to somebody close. Tell them how much you appreciate them. The reason why you're so stuck up, the reason why you're so mean, the reason why you don't treat people the right way, the reason why you're so bad at these relationships, the reason why is because you think you have enough time to fix things. You have enough time to make amends. Start by apologizing today. Start by saying sorry today. Start by forgiving them today. Because when you're gone, you can't be like, oh, I wish I did this. Nah. You only got one shot, buddy. It's too late. You're gone. Right? I'm not trying to scare you guys or anything. Right? I'm not trying to scare you guys to live with fear now. But I'm just scared. I just want you now to value your time rather than guarding your money. Right? Stop worrying about the cheapest thing to get, right? The cheapest thing is cheap for a reason. What is it doing to your body? Right? What is it doing to your health? The cheapest thing, if you sit on that couch, does it fall? Man, stop worrying about the money. Take your time. I don't have any furniture right now because I want to get a long-lasting couch. Right? I want to get a long-lasting couch because that is going to save me a lot of time. Going and buying new couches every 3 months. It's going to save me a lot of time. I'm not going to get that now because I'm happy where I'm at right now because I value my time, right? What do you value? What are the things that you value? Things that you value should be things that are related to your time. When you're thinking about goals, stop thinking about money goals. We talked about that in the video. Stop setting money goals. Start setting time-based goals. I'm going to hit this in 3 months. I'm going to lose 30 pounds in 3 months. Right? When you're setting your millionaire goals, don't be like, I'm going to hit $1 million. It's too vague. You're going to give up. You're going to give up. As soon as something hard comes, you're going to give up. Right? My goal is to take my mom on vacation. My goal is to be able to have financial freedom. My goal is to be able to go on a random Tuesday and play golf with my bros. That's time I'm getting back to be able to do those things, right? So find those things that are time-based and guard it. Guard it like a diamond. Guard your time like a diamond, right? And when you're thinking of making decisions in life, make sure they're not the way you answer those decisions, the way you decide on things. Make sure it's not money that's the first thing that pops up to your mind, right? Because I'm not saying don't think about the money or the price or anything, but all I'm saying is that make sure time is first. How much is this time is going to take me? Once you guard your time, your friends can't easily come into your life and ruin it. Guard your time. Your friends can't call you any day of the second and you answer. Guard your time. Right? So, y'all, make sure that you set your boundaries with your time. Get a schedule. If you don't have a plan, you're walking nowhere. You want to know you want to know a plan? Follow the people that have already paved the way in your field. Save your time. Guard your time. If you can learn from somebody who's already did it, you can save a lot of the time. Read their books. Follow their Instagram. Follow their steps. What do they do on a day-to-day basis? Follow it. You're going to save a bunch of time instead of making money goals and just aimlessly going in a place that you don't even know what's going to lead to. Guard your time. I love you.